Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the world of consumer goods to bring you the best picks for your needs.
Today, we're exploring the ultimate companion for your underwater adventures. The Fujifilm Disposable QuickSnap Waterproof Pool Underwater 35mm Camera.
This little gem is not just any disposable camera. It's your ticket to capturing stunning underwater moments with ease.
Are you ready to hear why this camera stands out among the rest? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about durability.
The Fujifilm Disposable QuickSnap is built to withstand the elements, whether you're snorkeling in the Caribbean or swimming in a pool. Its waterproof design allows you to capture crystal-clear images up to 35 feet underwater, making it the perfect companion for all your aquatic adventures.
But what about picture quality? You'll be pleasantly surprised by the clarity and vividness of the photos taken with this camera. Equipped with Fujicolor Superia XTRA 835mm film, each shot boasts vibrant colors and sharp details, ensuring that your underwater memories are preserved in stunning clarity. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The Fujifilm Disposable QuickSnap couldn't be simpler to operate. With its larger-sized shutter release, even underwater photography novices can capture breathtaking shots with ease. Plus, its lightweight and compact design make it a breeze to carry with you wherever your adventures take you.
But perhaps the best part? This camera is disposable, meaning you don't have to worry about lugging around expensive equipment or risking damage to your precious gear.
Simply snap away, and when you're done, drop it off for processing. It's that easy.
But don't just take my word for it.
Let's hear from some satisfied customers who have experienced the magic of the Fujifilm Disposable QuickSnap firsthand.
So, there you have it. The Fujifilm Disposable QuickSnap Waterproof Pool Underwater 35mm camera is the ultimate companion for snorkeling and underwater adventures. With its durability, picture quality, and ease of use, it's no wonder why it's a favorite among adventurers worldwide. Ready to capture your next underwater escapade? Pick up your pack today and let the memories begin.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the products you love.
Until next time,
Happy snapping!